Hello and welcome to Mastering Excel Essentials in 60 Minutes. Today we'll learn how to create charts and graphs and transform your data into visually compelling charts. Let's take an example. So we have a table that with the name and the number of apples eaten by each person. So let's select the table, click on Insert, and then you can just click on Recommended Charts. And as you can see that it is showing you the chart, so just click on OK, and you can just drag it down and make it small. So this is a very simple graph where you can see that we have auto-generated heading, and you can see that the horizontal axis is showing Jill, Susan, Jack, Adrian, Maria, Seth, and on the left side you can see that the it is showing the graph. So this one is 10, this one is 8, this one is 9, and this is a very useful for representation, and you can use this graph for your Excel. Let's take another example. So in this table we have the achievement, and we have all the months, and here we have the year 2022 and the year 2023. So we'll create a graph from this table. So we select the table, and we click on Insert and Recommended Charts, and we just click on OK. As you can see that the chart is already created, and as you can see in the right side, from the left to right is the year, and from bottom to top is the amount of sales that has been done. So in this way you can create a graph very easily. Let's look at some of the ways how you can use the graph and make some changes to a selection. So click on the graph, and as you can see on the left, there are some boxes, and if I want only the first 6 months, so we'll just drag this box 1 2 3 4 5, so till June, and you can see that the graph is changing automatically. So it is showing from January to June. Suppose we want to see the last 6 months of the year, so just you can drag it to the bottom, and you can see that graph is changing automatically. Let's see how we can change the value of the data. So let's click on the cell, and let's change the data to 6000. So you can see that the graph will automatically change, and you can use it very uh, nicely. So let's see how we can, if we insert a column, and let's say we have, this is for 2021. Let's insert this column with 2021, and these are the cells. So let's see how it can be added to this graph. So we click on the graph, and we can just drag this to the left, and you can see that it is now showing 2021, 2022, 2023. So inserting a graph and manipulating the graph is very easy in Excel. Hope you liked our video, and see you in the next video.